Yeah. I don't know why.
The yellow tactile blocks installed on the floor.